Today we're going to do an activity based on home science. We're going to show you how to dress your wounds and do first aid.
In first aid, we want to have soap, scissors, cotton, regular bandages, open wound bandage, antibacterial cream, antiseptic cream, and cut and wound ointment.
Let's see how we dress up the wounds.
First place is fingertip. For the fingertip, we want to wash the wound. First, we want to wash the wound by the cotton with saline water and have a regular bandage and cut the end and just stick it in the wound. We want to dress up the wound in fingertip like this. Next, in the palm area. Again, we want to wash the wound with saline water and we want to have cotton, antiseptic ointment, open wound bandage, and we want to tie it. Thank you.